Alright everyone, I'm going to show you my version of tacos here. This is a really tasty taco. It does have a high number of ingredients, but it's actually very easy to make. There's no serious cooking involved at all, so I think it's worth the higher number of ingredients to make this meal. And if you're going to have tacos, why not have it almost restaurant quality style? That's what everyone likes, so let's do it. So first things first, I'm getting more into hard shell tacos lately. This is Kroger hard shell tacos. I like them, they're easy to make, they're cheap, they taste good. Here we have some Kroger Black Beans. It's going to give us a nice kick of protein, flavor, and fiber. Here we have some diced tomatoes with jalapeños from Kroger. Jalapeños. And this is perfect for tacos. It's already got that little spicy kick in it. Up next I have the rice, which is definitely an important ingredient here. This is organic brown rice that I got from Trader Joe's. Now, this meal could be entirely made from Kroger if it weren't for this rice. I just like this rice because it's already pre-cooked. This saves some time and some effort. It's got nothing added in it or anything like that. You can microwave the bag. So yeah, just find some rice that you like. Now with the rice, I think it's good to have some sort of seasoning, of course. Now the sauces will also give you a lot of flavor, but this is only 39 cents at Kroger, so I thought, hey, let's try it out. I haven't had it, but I'm sure it's going to be good with the rice. This is also reduced sodium, which I like, so why not? Now we're getting into some of the more optional stuff. This is some hearts of romaine from Kroger. This was only 99 cents, obviously, so if you can find some cheap lettuce or something that you would like on your taco, go for it. And you could use a lot of different things. You could use spinach, you could use anything else, but this is what I got, and it was totally worth it. So this is definitely an optional ingredient, but it's going to give you some of that restaurant quality kick. So this is just some cilantro that I got from Kroger. I really personally like cilantro a lot, kind of obsessed with it right now, so I'm gonna add it to my tacos. Next, we do have a lime here. I think this is gonna go good with the rice. So if you wanna add a lime, go ahead. This is an optional ingredient though. Here we have an avocado. Definitely good to have avocado on your taco. That's pretty much a requirement. Now these ingredients coming up next are definitely optional. These are just my choices for sauces. This is one of my favorite salsas, and I like the green salsa, particularly on the taco, so I would recommend this if you want to try it. It's going to be a good flavor for a good price. And finally, we have some Ortega taco sauce. I personally love the flavor of Ortega, and it is vegan, so use whatever taco sauce you like, but this is my choice. And that's finally all the ingredients. All right, let's make this taco. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get the beans and the tomatoes going in the same pot. Now I've learned for opening a can, I used to go vertical style like this. So that puts the handle on the sideways like that. I watched a YouTube video and they showed me that you actually do it like this. You put it on so that I guess you'd call that the spinner, is on the top. So you do it like that. And it makes it easier to open the can. Boom, and it grabs the lid for you. So now we're going to heat that up, going to throw it on 6 and let it boil for a little bit basically, and then we're going to drain it, and that'll be it for those. Alright, up next let's get the rice going. Now this is microwavable rice, so really you just need to heat it up, that's it. You could throw the bag in the microwave for like, I don't know, it's like 3 minutes or something. But instead, because we have the taco seasoning, I'm going to put it in a pan so I can kind of marinate it real quick. Okay, looking good. Let's turn that heat up to 7. And I'm just going to throw this on right now. That smells good. That smells like some Taco Bell style taco there. Just throw that over the rice. You know what? I'm going to try just using half the bag. This already looks like quite a bit, so use half the bag. Just mix it up. Okay. And we'll keep stirring that with time, and just throw the lid on there and let those flavors just get into that rice. Okay, so our beans and tomatoes have gotten to a boil here, so that is definitely going to be hot enough. You can turn them off, let them stay warm for the moment, and let's check on the rice now. So here we go with the rice. Now I had to stir this up a little bit because it was like boiling up earlier, so the flavor packet has mixed in well with the rice here. As you can see, the color looks nice and reddish brown, so that looks really good. I'm sure that's going to be really tasty. What I did was I turned the burner down to low. You can just turn it off. That rice is done. Throw the lid back on in the meantime. Okay, actually the first thing that I'm going to do, or that I should have done, is set the oven to 325. We do want to bake the shells a little bit. It'll make them taste a little bit warmer and crunchier. You could always skip that. They're good just as is, but I do like to bake them a little bit first, and it does say that on the box, so why not? Let's do it. It'll be a little bit more restaurant style. So set that to 325. Grab 6 shells very delicately because these break super easily. Okay. And this didn't preheat yet, but I'm going to throw it in anyway, so. Alright, let's get these going. So, what we want to do is, we'll do the cilantro first. Okay, that looks good. Now, just chop them up as best as you can. You might have some sort of like food processor or something, maybe do that. Man, I love the smell of cilantro. That is good stuff. Okay, good enough. So there's some cilantro right there. Let's do this easy part. Okay, that looks good enough. A little bit sloppy, but that is going to give you the cilantro, the lime, and the avocado flavors that are going to be so good in this. Now the right thing to do now is check those tacos. Make sure you don't overcook them, that'd be bad. So I'm going to pull one out. Just feel it. Yep, it's hot. Oh, great. Oh, that's great. Yeah, those are plenty hot. So pulling them out. There we go. A little sloppy, but that's the way I roll. So now what we should do is drain the liquid out of this. Okay, what I would like to do next is actually, first thing is I'm gonna squirt half of this lime all over this rice. Now I'm throwing in that cilantro and lime, or cilantro and avocado. Stir that stuff up. So it's time to assemble these tacos. Get a scoop of the tomato and the beans. Okay, 6 tacos there. Let's add some of that Ortega. There. Okay, this is a sloppy mess, I'm aware. I'm going to take a picture of it that looks a little cleaner, and then I'm going to eat it. Okay, you can probably see the mess behind me, but I will tell you that I am so starving right now that these are going to taste incredible, pretty much no matter what, but let me eat them. Holy crap. This is a flavor explosion, powerhouse. Man, I haven't made tacos quite like this before. This is definitely my best taco recipe ever. I can taste the lime on the rice, I can taste the cilantro. That was just one bite. I got just about everything on that bite. I'm not even lying, this tastes better than some tacos I've had in restaurants. This tastes like a $20 taco meal right here, but it's way cheaper than that. And there's good protein. Oh my gosh, I love every part of this taco. Clearly I'm really hungry, but I'm also just really loving this flavor, so I'd be really curious to hear what you think of these tacos, any variations you have on tacos. There's like an endless number of ways to do vegan tacos, so please let me know your favorite way of doing it, or if you do make some sort of variation on this one. And anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it. I'll see you soon.